to us about this?
Obviously it's too late. I think this first game is just like a first half, and next game we just gotta look at it. It's too low at half. How can we get back on? And we gotta start from there. But I think there's a lot of things that we need to improve on, and I think it's just mainly like some things like communication and just being together and playing as a unit. So I think once we do that, like we'll be good.
Talk to us about your performance, because I personally think that you were probably one of the more valuable persons on the team today. Talk to us about your role around, swing back.
I think obviously I'll take one for the team and save the first goal. I would say it's my fault. I think I should have released earlier and get pressure on the ball. But it's a part of the game. I think there's a lot of things that we could have prevented before that. So it's like a collective fault. But I think offensively I had a good game. I tried to do as much as I can to help the team, and I think if we start to just like play off me and play off each other, we'll definitely get more success in the future.
A lot of the times I thought you made a good attacking play, but the passes weren't there and the persons were opening themselves. Talk to us about the chemistry in the team. What do you think more can be done to help with that?
I honestly think we have a good chemistry off the field. We're good. It's the best team that I've ever been on. Chemistry-wise, I think today, we just lack communication. That was our biggest downfall today, and I think once we get the communication locked, we will see the unity again.
Alright, so ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Deniesha.
No, we have to check. You have to get the practice in from now.
Yeah, that's true. I thought possible.
But when they gone over the club, they're not gonna throw it. They're not gonna talk now, man.
Yeah, true. But I know I'm getting there.
And what's the mindset going into that league right now?
Obviously, I just coming back from my ACL 2 years ago, and for me, it's like a stepping stone. So I think going to Mexico is gonna be good for my tiki-taki, and I think it's gonna help the team a lot. So I'm looking forward to playing there.
Good game.
Thank you.